Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. Hey, if you're trying to figure out how can I start making at least $1,000 a day, okay, I'm gonna show you 5 businesses that you can actually do that, as well as minimize your tax liability. Basically saying that you'll end up paying little tax, okay? So in terms of the type of businesses you want to start, these are businesses you don't need any skills for. These are businesses you already know how to do because you already have those skills, most of you. And the first business we're going to be talking about is a courier business, all right? And the reason that I'm saying a courier business is because you either got a car, you either got a truck, or you got a cargo van, right? So you know how to drive, pick up packages, and deliver them, right? So I'm going to tell you some of the companies you may want to consider, and that's right, you can make up to $1,000 a day or more, all right? So you have freight.com, that's FRAYT.com. Then you have Veho, VEHO. Then you have Curio, COURIAL. Then you have Benji, driver, BENJII, driver. Then you also have Metrobi drivers, METROBI drivers. And you also have dispatch.com. That's, excuse me, Dispatcher, DISPATCHIT.com. Okay, those are for most of your local carrier type of apps on your phone that you can sign up with and become a carrier driver. That's right. Now, understanding that, like I said, this is something you already know how to do, so you don't need any special job skills, no special communication skills or something like that. So you don't have to worry about that. So I hope those websites help you. Also, the next business you want to consider is a resale business. Look, the resale business is booming, especially as it gets closer to the holidays. And what happened, and what most people are not picking up on, Walmart, Target, Amazon, a lot of them, they sitting on a lot of surplus inventory, brand new surplus inventory. And where that surplus inventory came from is because of the pandemic. They weren't able to ship out all of the products and stuff, right? So when people had a lot of extra income, well, now because of inflation, people don't have that much discretionary income, so they're sitting on it, right? So now they're willing to get rid of it for pennies on the dollar. That's the reason I tell you all to consider buying an Amazon mystery box, buying an eBay mystery box. You can go to liquidation.com. When you go to liquidation.com, you're getting stuff from Amazon, eBay, Macy's, Nordstrom, JCPenney. So you're getting a lot of brand new products and stuff for pennies on the dollars that you can resell. You can resell on Facebook Marketplace, areas like that. What's that? Posh website. You know, so you have different websites that you can resell this stuff, even like on Amazon or eBay, right? So you're getting the pennies on the dollars, even like Home Depot. Home Depot right now, they're dealing with a lot of surplus stuff, right? Tools and stuff like that, that people willing to buy because, again, if they can get it cheaper than what they can get it in the store, why not? So you as an individual, you're able to take advantage of it, buy this stuff cheaper. Now, I know you're probably scratching your head, well, where am I going to get the money if I got bad credit, right? Well, I made a video and I was talking about the best places to get a business credit card, even if you have bad credit. So we talked about Capital One. Capital One Spark Business Credit Card, the Gold Card, 580 credit score, right? You have Courier. If you have at least a 600 credit score, Courier is able to give you a business credit card. Now, here's something that I want to interject and tell you guys about so you all understand, all right? If you're going to be operating these businesses, okay, and like I said, these businesses potentially can make you up to $1,000 a day or more, you should structure your business properly so you can minimize end up paying a whole lot of tax and you keep more money in your pocket, right? So the structure of your business, if you don't know how to do that, you can click the link in the description and schedule a one-on-one consultation. All right, but it's very important that you do this because it's going to help you keep more money in your pocket and you'll end up paying less taxes. Plus, you'll end up, if you operate as a business and you have constant revenue coming in, the banks will give you more money because you actually have real revenue coming in the business, okay? So even if you start out as a carrier driver, then you decide you want to buy another van, or you decide, hey, let me buy a couple vehicles that I can put on tour to make me some passive income while I do my courier business. So that way it expounds into something else. All right. Now, going back to that, the next business that I would tell you about is, returning luggage. That's right. Returning luggage is a big business, and a lot of people now, they're just starting to realize, like, wait a minute, I didn't even know that was a business. That's right, where you people lose their luggage at the airport, the bus stations, train stations and stuff like that, where you're able to sign up to companies. I'll give you the name of the company. One of the companies you can probably check out is expressbags.com, expressbags.com, XPRESS bags.com. So you may be able to reach out to them, or there's other companies out there that deals with lost luggage and being able to sign up for them. Now, here's the interesting thing about them. With those type of luggage returning things, not only are you able to make money just from returning the bags, but you're able to make money from tips. Because, hey, if I lose my luggage and I have some valuables in it and you return it to me with all of my expensive valuables, yes, I'm going to give you a tip because you looked out for me. So that's the reason that I would tell you this is definitely a very lucrative business. You know, again, you don't have to have any skills to actually do these type of businesses. Now, here's another business. Vending machine business. That's right. Vending machine business. Now, a lot of people are like, man, you got to have a lot of money, and you don't. You don't. With the vending machine business, you can probably start up a vending machine business for maybe about $3,500 up to $4,500, which you would probably start out with a snack machine, a beverage machine. You may need a couple of credit card readers, and of course delivery of those machines, and then of course products. Now, here's another secret that you may not understand. If you have a location, okay, for a vending machine that you know that has high traffic and stuff like that, you can sometimes reach out to Coca-Cola and Pepsi and you can say, hey, I have this location and I want to be able to use your products exclusively at this here location. Will you give me the vending machines if I buy all my product from you? And truth be told, they will give you the vending machines, long as you're using purchasing product from them. You have to agree with purchasing product from them, but they would actually give you the vending machines, okay? So I would check it out. All right, but it has happened. It does happen all the time. If you have a good location for a vending machine, hey, it's definitely an opportunity for you to make money and stuff like that. So you don't need a whole lot of money for vending machines. Another easy business that I would tell you about is a party rental business. That's right. The party rental business is still booming because people never stop partying, right? Every day somebody's having a birthday party, a wedding, a divorce party. Yes, people have actual divorce parties. That's right, divorce parties. Unfortunately, you know, you have a lot of like receptions for funerals and stuff. But again, a party is a party, right? And you being able to buy chairs and tables, one of the places that you probably want to go to look up to see where you can buy tables and chairs real cheap, is you probably want to go to like offerup.com, again, eBay, Walmart, places like that, Amazon, you know, and buy all your party supplies like your tables, chairs, bounce house. But you definitely can start a business and make to $1,000 a day, okay? And you don't need a whole lot of skill, nor do you need a whole lot of money. And these are boring businesses. People make a lot of money in them, and especially if you have a job that you hate and you're trying to get away from. This is definitely, you can even start this type of business on the weekend. So you're taking your weekend time and doing these type of business, building yourself up, seeing how much you can actually make in a weekend, and then looking at that, comparing to what you're going through on your job to see, is it worth you transitioning or giving yourself 6 months to a year to make sure you have enough capital built up to where you can actually transition from the job. All right. Now, another way that you can actually increase your income on your job is you can file exempt for 3 to 4 months. Okay, so that way you don't have to pay taxes, but you keep a lot more money in your paycheck. That way you can get caught up on your bills or take that little extra money to start building onto your business. So if you have any questions about business credit, personal credit, trying to get funding, or trying to remove negative items off your personal credit, click the link in the description to schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.